Hello, my name is Attila Szász. I'm the director of Eternal Winter. When we were making this film back in 2017, we only knew that this was going to be the very first Hungarian feature film about those hundreds of thousands of people who were dragged away from Hungary to the Soviet Union for forced labor at the end of the Second World War. We wanted to tell the untold story of these people, and we wanted to tell a story about human endurance and the triumph of the human willpower. Today we are going through very difficult times once again, all of us around the world. And I think we might need such stories again, maybe more than ever, to inspire us and to give us hope that we can prevail once again. So let's take care of each other and stay safe. Thank you very much.